you want to help others and help yourself too? Do you want to grow on all levels, spiritually, emotionally, mentally? Health coaching is an amazing opportunity. It is very important at this time to become certified because the world is getting more complicated and people really have to change now. And actually, health coaches help people change on all levels of body, mind, spirit, and soul. If you want to help people on all these levels make changes, and in a sense, you'll be changing also, think about changing your career, adding to your career, whatever it is. There are all kinds of students. They are doctors, they're in the medical field, they're not in the medical field, they're lawyers, they're business people. It doesn't matter what you've done. You can come and start and add. And the most important thing that our students tell us they love, not only are they board certified at the end, they can go for those credentials or ICF certified, they see that it changes their reality, makes their relationships better. They learn how communication is so important, and they learn how to communicate on a much higher level. We have relationships all over the place, and to make those of a high level, you're actually able to connect and help people really on a soul-to-soul level. This is a very powerful choice. I remember I was meditating many years ago with a very wonderful channeler, and I was just struck that when I went to the back of the room and I met all the people, they were all sick. They had chronic illnesses of all kinds. This is so important at this moment that we realize we don't have to live with those chronic illnesses. We can do things to heal, actually. And health coaches work with their clients for months on end to make goals, to really make these changes. And I have worked for many years with clients on all levels, seen amazing changes in their body, in their mind, in their spirit, in their emotional health. I think it's an incredible opportunity right now as the world is changing so drastically. It's changing so quickly. We need to change with it. And actually, health coaches are change agents. I think in this moment, that's probably the most important job one could have.